Lenovo Legion M200 RGB Gaming Mouse. The Lenovo Legion M200 RGB Gaming Mouse is designed for the beginners and amateur PC gamers. With a comfortable ambidextrous design, it is affordable but offers uncompromising functionality and performance. The Legion M200 features a 6-button design, up to 2400 dpi with 4 levels DPI switch, 7-color circulating backlight and a braided cable. It is easy to use and set up without any extra complicated software. Adjustable 4-level DPI setting, 500 fps frame rate, 76.20 cms, 30 per second maximum movement speed, 7-color circulating backlight. Key details: adjustable 4-level DPI setting, 500 fps frame rate, 76.20 cms, 30 per second maximum moving speed, 7-color circulating backlight. Cable length, type 1.80 meters, braided cable. Weight 150 grams, 0.33 pounds. Special design features: ambidextrous comfortable design. Backlight 7-color RGB backlight, red, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, sky blue. Button life: left, right button, up to 5 million clicks, encoder, up to 800,000 clicks, side buttons, up to 1 million clicks, scroll wheel, up to 3 million clicks, DPI switch, up to 3 million clicks. Mouse sensor, optical sensor. Scrolling, scroll wheel, up, down. Brand, Lenovo Legion. Height 40 mm, 1.59 in. Depth 123 mm, 4.84 in.